Civil War collectible show. My name is Steve Munson, and I am the Civil War guru. Today in for appraisal is a real unique pistol and rig. The pistol is an 1851 Colt Navy. It's holstered and it's belt. And what has got me excited about this particular piece in for evaluation is the provenance on it. This pistol was captured in January of 1865 at Fort Sumner, New Mexico Territory. And Fort Sumner was established to control the Apache and the Navajo Indians. And we assume that this particular pistol was carried by either a Native American, and of course we'd want to think it was carried by a Confederate soldier, because the Confederates tried to take over the fort because all the troops were in the west, or the Eastern Theater, and the Western Theater, of course. So all these troops had minimal amount of men defending it, and so the Indians tried to capitalize on it, and so did the Confederates. But let's take a look at the holster itself. This is what is unique, and this is why it leads me to believe this was probably carried by a Southern soldier. If we look at the holster, it's a standard style holster for a 1851 Colt Navy military version. We can look at the end and see traces of the plug that was in there. When these were originally made, you had a plug sewed in the end, and then you had a flap on the top. And what's unique about this holster is the star that's sewed into it, which certainly wouldn't have been done by a Union soldier, and I doubt if it's done by a Native American Indian. But you can see the stitching here. So this is truly a unique little rig here, and the belt. Now we're going to turn it over so you can see the belt buckle. And of course the pistol itself, it was hard use, as you can see. And there's of course some replacement screws somewhere in its life here. But it's a wonderful rig. And it come out of New Mexico, which that area, southern New Mexico, California area. And it just looks like, you know, exactly what you'd expect in usage and wear. So we're going to evaluate the pistol at about $1,000 to $1,200. But the belt rig, which is so unique, because leather is so hard to get, and to have complete leather and holster rig all together with the pistol really adds another at least $1,000 to it. And one last thing that I'd like to mention about Fort Sumner, New Mexico, that was the place that Billy the Kid was killed in the 1880s. So that was one of the last kind of outposts of the Wild West. So from the Civil War guru, have a great day.
Thank you.